Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change a PDF file page orientation for printing. This is my PDF file and I'll print this PDF file and I'll change this PDF file page orientation and make this portrait to landscape. Now select print option or select file option. Here also you will find this print option. Okay. This printer dialog box now open. You can select all page and select your printer here. Foxit. Hit to the margin and this is page orientation. Here you can make the landscape as it is. All of this now. Page orientation of change. Now select OK and save as a PDF file. And save this. Portrait mode. Show landscape print now showing here. And another way, select print option again. And this page setting option. Here you can change portrait to landscape here and print it. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and